Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to change the spark plug on a John Deere lawn tractor. This is a model LA105. It's a 2010 standard non-hydrostatic 42-inch cut. It's got about 50 hours on it. It works great. I love it. And of course I keep all the maintenance up to date on it, so this is another episode to show you how to change out the spark plug. Get some more light in here. Open up the second garage door. You can see the spark plug wire coming out of the front of the engine right next to the muffler. So you want to do this when the engine is cool, because you're going to be right up close to that muffler. You want to make sure that you don't have the key in the ignition, and you want to make sure that the battery is disconnected. First thing you want to do, reach over here and grab the rubber boot cover, pull that directly out. You want to inspect that for damage, tears, just overall condition, and then you can see underneath, try to focus here, your spark plug in there. So get your spark plug wrench and undo that. Just going to keep twisting that till I can loosen it by hand. Almost there. Well, it's coming nicely by the hand now. I change my spark plugs usually every spring. And you can inspect the spark plug. This one is actually 2 years old now. And not too bad, but I'm going to go ahead and replace it with a new one. And this model, you can't, I don't think you can see it on here. I'll read it. It's a RC12YC. The John Deere recommendation for this is a gap of 0.76 millimeters. So you can use your little gapping gauge if you want and check that. I've already done that, so I'm just going to go ahead and seat this one back in there. The new one, that is. Make sure you don't cross thread it, so be careful. Make sure it goes into true. There we go. Threading in nicely now. Thread it all the way in. Okay, it's all the way in. I'll use the spark plug wrench. Tighten it a little bit, not too snug. Take the rubber boot. Simply put that on over it, and I'll stop and take a couple still pictures at this point. Okay, now that I have the spark plug back in place, I just put the boot, or the cover, back on. Should snap into place. Then all you have to do is reconnect the battery, close it up, and we'll give it a shot, see if it works.